Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a classroom on the Google Classroom for the first time. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the Google Classroom application, and after that there is in the first pages we will have two options. Either we want to create a class or join a class. Since we want to create it, just go into the create class and please have a mark here and then click continue. And now you can fulfilling these sections. For the first section is class name. Please have a class name on this sections. Let's have a class. And then for the sections you can choose what sections of the class. Let's say 3, and if a class have 4 room, and then you want to create for room 2, just click room 2. And for the subject you can click the subject that you teach, let's say biology, and after you finish just click create and hold on until your class is ready. Okay, so here we already have the class, and how we invite our students, just go into the people, and then you can see here there is plus button on the student sections. Just click it, and then we can just copy the link, and then we can paste the link into the Google or into the WhatsApp group that containing of your students, or you can choose share, and then it will be generated into how we will share this link with, or you can just manually entering their email. But I will suggest you to use copy link. It makes you easier to share or spreading the email or the invitations of the class. So that's how you create your class. If you find out this very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.